this might be one of the coolest things I've seen for someone who likes to keep their car detailed or has a shop, etc. This is an integrated wall mount pressure washer. This is from Giraffe Tools. I picked this up. It has 65 foot of hose in a reel in there. It gets a steel bracket that you can wall mount right here. Very easy to put in. Has a little hose that comes out of it. You could replace that with a longer hose as well. I will say, I think the cord could be longer. I should have measured that a little better before mounting it. You can see it's kind of stretched over there because it's on this, would be my left side looking at it. Has handles on here so you can easily pick it up and move it off of the wall mount. Has a swivel right here integrated into here. You have your foam cannon, your different attachments. Has a trigger lock, and they say it's like, what do they say on it? It's about 93 decibels. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, we're all powered up. Let's pull this all out. Let's see how easily, ooh, look at that hose. An auto stop. We're gonna go ahead and try it over here. Wash all away all this dirt. It's doing it. Pretty well, actually. Look at that. Pretty strong. And a big difference. All right, so I'm gonna try to use it like the foam cannon. I haven't used this soap before, so I don't know how well it's gonna foam. It's not like a gel based. So I'm gonna use the foam cannon, and you have this to pressurize how much foam you want, and this nozzle here will go how thin of the spray you want. So it's pretty cool, nice nozzle. It's good you can take this off. We're gonna go ahead and foam it up. Look at that.